Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to select or insert strings that include codes or special characters. This is the seventh video from Snowflake tips and tricks playlist. Okay, let me set the context info to my session, and here is the what string insert into table or select as part of the query only. So hard coded string. So if I want to use the here as part of this string, there is a single quote. So now if I use the like this as part of my query, select all the president's men as a string, what I am going to get? So we are going to get the error like SQL compilation error, syntax error, line 8 position 28 unexpected men, because of this string already ended till president. After that we have another, this is not a valid. So to overcome this issue, what you have to do, you have to use the here before yes you have to use the one more single quote, so that you can we don't get that error, we can overcome that issue. If you see here, let me show you. Now we have a all the presidents men expected output, we got the expected output. Now suppose if I want to instead of one single quote I want to two single quotes, then you have to put the two more single quotes as part of your query, so that you don't get any error. Let me execute here one only I put, yeah, this one. If I put this one, yeah, why it's not, yeah. Now all the presidents in the output we got the 2. So like this, if you are going to prepare your SQL statement, it could be a select statement or insert statement. In that, if you have any strings, a string contains the like this, then you have to take care of this one, okay, these special characters. So instead of that, in Snowflake what we can do, we have a dollar, okay, you can keep your string between starting with the dollar and ending with the dollar. So now let me same select statement, what I am going to do without using these multiple, okay, I mean special, okay. So now what I am going to do, let me execute the dollar with same query, okay, with one single quote only. So we got the all the presidents men. If you want to two as part of your string, okay, now you just put the, that's all, simple, 2, so that whatever you want, that many special characters, you can keep it as part of your string. So this is the how we are going to use the for single quote special character. So now I have a one more special character, this backslash. If you see here, let me execute this one, what we are going to get this one. See, SQL compilation error, again we got the SQL compilation error, parse error, line 1 at position 12 near end of the line. So to overcome this issue, just what you have to do, simply simply what you can do, you put your backslash as in between dollar, okay. So now if you execute this one, okay, we got the expected output. Similarly, if you want to one more slash, okay, as part of your string, you can simply put as many as you want. We no need to escape them, okay. Now what I am going to do, how to insert the same string with the special characters as part of your table. For that matter, what I am going to do, let me create a one table, test underscore codes, with the two columns. One is the ID, another one is the column 1. So in the column 1 I am going to insert the string. So same insert into let me try to insert the without, okay, dollar dollar. Now obviously we will get the error. See here I am going to insert without using this dollar dollar. So same we got the error. Now if you want to overcome with the same without using, what you have to do, see, you have to escape them. Even if you escape them, okay, let me not here, okay. Now let me execute this one. What we are going to, one, yeah, inserted, number of rows inserted 1. That means you can escape them with the instead of 1 you can include the 2, so that we will get the expected output. So here if you see here we it's not output, I mean insert row. So after inserting for id1 all the precedents men, so we got the expected. But we have to, here also we have to take care about how many single quotes are there, like that. So instead of that, what I'm going to do, you can use the as part of insert also, you can use the same dollar dollar. You just keep your string in between dollar dollar, start with the dollar dollar and end with the dollar dollar. Now if you run this, okay, number of rows inserted 1. Now select, we'll see the output, okay, this one, all the precedent. Suppose if you want to insert this dollar dollar as part of your string, then you can use the normal single quote, so that if you execute this one, another row got inserted. Now if you see with the id 3 we have a dollar dollar, this one. So this is the way you can insert. Now what I am going to do, we can set the string as part of the Snowflake variables. So Snowflake variable, how you are going to define the variable, by using the set command from web UI. So set command str equal to all string, all the precedents same we can. So now I have defined the one string. So status statement executed successfully. Now you want to select this one, okay, select dollar, single dollar here, single, and your variable name, so that you can get the value. You can define, okay, all precedents men. Now you want to use this one as part of your insert statement, then you can directly use the dollar str. Just you can use this insert into your table name values. So now number of rows inserted 1. After this one, if you see the output would be like this, okay. So all the precedents men got it. Now what I'm going to do here, if you want to insert the as backslash as part of your string, again we are going to, if you see here, is a backslash is a special character. That's why we cannot insert directly within, we cannot keep the within the single quote. So instead of that, you can just keep it that as part of dollar, and then yeah, number of rows inserted 1. If you see output here, okay, yeah, fifth, it's inserted, okay, expected value got inserted into our table. If you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, click bell icon for notification, and like it, share it to your friends. Thank you once again.